folks, me and my wife just got a new couch and we're going to clean it because it is a used couch that we got for a really good deal. So I kept hearing Bissell, Bissell, Bissell. Bissell, 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 Bissell. We did our research. We asked ChatGPT, and comparing our options for carpet cleaners and couch cleaners, we came across Bissell as the best option. So we're gonna learn how to use it and see if it's worth the money together. Removes tough spots and stains. Strong spray and suction, large tank capacity. All-in-one triple formula. So we might have bought this for nothing because it might come with one on the inside. Removable tool, spray tip, power cord, formula tank, dirty water tank, flexible hose. Wife enjoying a sandwich with whatever this is, cheese or something.
I'm hungry.
Oh, okay. My knife is upstairs, so we're just gonna use keys to cut this open. We almost ordered one from an auction site, but we said freak it. New is better than used. Then you don't have to clean it because nobody else has used it. And as my wife just chimed in and said, you can return it. Small one, big one. So maybe we didn't waste our money. So folks, I opened it and it came with a 10% off accessories to keep your machine running strong, product registration card that I'm not going to use. And then it comes with what everybody needs and hopes every product comes with: instructions. Thank God. Looks like it explains everything pretty simply here. Nice. It's telling me what's in the box. It's telling me I need a Phillips head to assemble it, so I gotta go upstairs. All right, so I think I got it all figured out. So now I'm going to unwrap this all the way. Now I'm going to plug it up. Take the plastic off. Now, got the doohickey right here. And all I have to do is press this button. So I just finished suctioning a quarter of the couch, and this is what we got. Ooh. There's like a little glue stain right here. It got a good bit of it out. It's probably not good with glue, but it is amazing at getting dirt out of the couch or the carpet. On surface level, it did not look this dirty, but even the people we bought it from said, yeah, we kept it clean. That's not clean. It's about to be clean though. So if I were to rate this Bissell vacuum from 1 to 10, what would you give it, dear? It's good. We'll probably give it an 8.7. It can
It would be 10 if it do the job by himself.
Oh, she said it would be a 10 if it did the job by itself. But if you guys want to order it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description or the comment section below. Maybe I'll pin it. Maybe an Amazon link if you want to get one for yourself. Or if you saw it at a local store, you can do that as well. But I think it was worth the money. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. And if you like this video, we'll do more of these. You have a good day. Like and subscribe for more. And also, just a heads up, if your Bissell, if you get one and it leaks for a little bit while you're using it, it's just getting warmed up because it's the first use. Once it's like ran for like a couple of minutes, it stops leaking. It only like leaks like a little bit from the bottom, but then it stops after like a few minutes of use. Just a heads up in case you think there's something wrong with yours.